Welcome to 2023. Now it is a blessing to be here because we did have friends and family that didn't make it to this year. So for anyone that's lost anyone, especially in the last 3 years, I do pray for you and pray that all will be well with you and your family. To kick off 2023, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my monthly reset checklist. Now for this year, I will be using Angie Belmar's Daily Grind Planner. I have been following Angie for a while, but for her daily grind for the last 3 years, and I did create some of the stuff that she was doing prior to the planner and printed it out because I think it would be better for me to show you guys how to do it this way. But Angie's planners look like this. It does come where you can have three colors so that you can have it consistent for the year. And also it's a 4-month planner, which allows you to actually check month by month to see what your progress is. So if you want to see how I create my monthly reset checklist, keep on watching. Okay guys, so here is the beginning of the planner and it has 4-month vision. And so it asks you specific questions like where I am today, which I think is really good. What I want to accomplish, how far I want to go. I will celebrate when, where, I will waste time, what's going well. So she's asking a whole bunch of questions for you to answer honestly, like what's my biggest goal, where I can be consistent. So I finished doing the calendar and I wanted to show you guys how I did it. And I followed, hopefully, the way Angie created her calendar. So I have my 4 months, January, February, March, and April. I put my monthly goals down. And then at the bottom, you also have a score just so you can gauge how well you do per month. Then you have your month ahead, which is January. I put my top 10 goals. I put any important dates, that's just for me so that I know. And then the important dates go down here and what needs to be done this month. And January is tax month, so I have to send out some tax papers. And then I also put down a sketch so I kind of know how my day is going to go. To be one of the first to view my videos, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and also hit that notification bell so you know when I upload the video every Tuesday. The next week is the week ahead, and I put the week from January 2nd to the 8th, meaning on Sunday I'm going to do my next week ahead. And I put down my top 10 goals again. I write down when it needs to be done by, and I also included like I want this done 7 days a week, I want stretching 2 days a week, and what has to happen for me to actually accomplish that. I did not write this in, but on every day I know what I have to do according to the color coordination up the top. So every day I have to do devotion, I have to do stretching, I have to work out, and I also have to eat healthy. I'm going to maybe insert a page for my meal prep and what I'm going to be eating. You put your top 10 priorities down, your top priorities here, which is organized taxes for the month of January. And then what I will do for myself once I accomplish it, which I just put little menial things, and you have your mantra for the week. Then you go for your daily, and I like this because every day you have to write this down so you have it in your head that you have to do this. So January 2nd, I put down the times that I have to wake up to accomplish all my goals and how long it's going to take me. So for the ceiling, it's a half an hour, and then where does it fit in my game plan? And I also highlighted my game plan and gave myself the hours that I needed. I did top priorities for today, which was get some bank information to complete my tax forms that need to be submitted out, and complete one video. And then she also has I will feel amazing for, which I like, don't forget, and then grateful and excited for. And then she has a month in review, which I think is great, what I can work on every month. And then you give yourself a score and you list your top 10 goals, and then I think it would be transfer over. And then you also have your 4-month in review. 4 months ago I was, what I accomplished, what did I accomplish, how far did I come, and then you just keep doing that. I think this is great. So this is my new planner. So that is it. I trust that you guys like this video. Remember that if you want to buy the planner, it's the Daily Grind. It's by Angie Balmar, and you can go to her YouTube channel to check that out. If you wanted to show me any of your projects, I do have my Instagram page where you are able to tag me, and I also have my Facebook page where you can upload different DIY projects. You can check out the link in the description box. Now that you know how to do your monthly reset checklist, you can focus on this video next on the bullet journal, and that will help you get started. If you like this week's video, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and share the content with your family and friends. And guys, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a fabulous week. Take care.